Have you ever wondered why dates are considered a superfood brimming with health benefits? This deliciously sweet fruit has been a cornerstone of the Middle Eastern diet for thousands of years, and for good reason. Dates are nutritionally dense, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. Let's peel back the skin and take a closer look at what makes dates so special. They are an excellent source of fiber, helping to maintain a healthy digestive system. They also contain natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, providing a quick energy boost without the crash associated with processed sugars. But that's not all. Dates are also rich in vital minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and copper, and they offer an assortment of vitamins, including vitamin B6, niacin, pantothenic acid, and folate. These nutritional components work together to support overall health, from boosting heart health to promoting brain function. Now that we understand the nutritional powerhouse that dates are, let's delve deeper into the science behind it. To fully appreciate what happens when you eat dates, we need to understand a concept in chemistry known as irreversible reactions. Imagine you're baking a cake. You gather your ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and perhaps a dash of vanilla. You mix them all together and place the batter into the oven. After a while, you open the oven to find a delicious golden cake waiting for you. But here's the thing. Once you've baked the cake, there's no way you can go back and retrieve the raw ingredients. The eggs, flour, sugar, and butter have all undergone a transformation that is irreversible. This is essentially what happens in an irreversible chemical reaction. The reactants, which are the substances that start a reaction, combine in a way that forms new products. And just like our cake, once the reaction has taken place, it cannot be reversed. Now you might be thinking, why are we talking about cakes and chemistry in a video about dates? Well, it's because the same principle applies. When we eat food, our bodies break down the nutrients, initiating a series of chemical reactions to convert them into energy and other useful substances. These reactions are irreversible. In the case of dates, they are rich in essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and various antioxidants. When we consume them, our bodies initiate a series of irreversible reactions to break down these nutrients. The fiber is broken down to aid digestion, the potassium helps to regulate our heart function, and the antioxidants protect our cells from damage. But once these reactions occur, they cannot be reversed. We can't extract the original nutrients from the products of these reactions. They have undergone a transformation, much like our cake ingredients, and are now serving a new purpose in our bodies. So the next time you enjoy a sweet, chewy date, remember that it's not just a simple snack. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that, once consumed, triggers a cascade of irreversible reactions, each with its own important role in keeping you healthy and well. Just like the cake, once we consume dates, certain irreversible reactions take place in our bodies. So what exactly happens in our bodies when we eat dates? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of digestion and absorption, shall we? Picture this. You take a bite of a sweet, chewy date. As you savor the taste, your body is already hard at work, beginning the process of digestion. Your saliva, armed with enzymes, starts breaking down the sugars in the date, transforming them into simpler forms that your body can utilize. This is the first irreversible reaction in the process. Now, the partially digested date moves down your esophagus and into your stomach, where it's further broken down by stomach acid and enzymes. This process continues in your small intestine, where the real magic happens. The sugars in the date, now in their simplest form, are ready to be absorbed into your bloodstream. But here's where another irreversible reaction comes into play. The cells lining your small intestine absorb these sugars, and in doing so, they convert them into a form that your body can use for energy. This is where insulin, the hormone produced by your pancreas, steps onto the stage. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking your body's cells so they can absorb the sugars from your bloodstream and use them for energy. This is yet another irreversible reaction. Once the sugars are inside your cells, they can't be returned to your bloodstream. They're there to stay until they're used up. But what about the remaining nutrients in the dates, like fiber, vitamins, and minerals? Well, they also undergo irreversible reactions as they're absorbed and utilized by your body. Fiber, for example, helps keep your digestive system healthy, while vitamins and minerals contribute to various bodily functions. So, by eating dates, we trigger a series of irreversible reactions that lead to the absorption of these nutrients into our bodies. These reactions are crucial in providing our bodies with the energy and nutrients they need to function optimally. So the next time you enjoy a date, remember that you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth. You're also fueling a fascinating chain of biological reactions. You might be wondering, what's the significance of these irreversible reactions? Well, let's dive into it. You see, these irreversible reactions play a pivotal role in our daily lives more than you might realize. When we consume food, our body breaks down the molecules through a series of chemical reactions. These reactions are, in essence, irreversible. They lead to the release of energy, which our bodies harness to perform various functions. Consider the act of eating a date, for example. Dates are rich in sugars like fructose and glucose. When we consume these sugars, our bodies initiate a cascade of irreversible reactions, breaking down these complex molecules into simpler ones. This process releases energy, which is then used for everything from maintaining our heartbeat to powering our brains. But the impact of these irreversible reactions doesn't stop at energy production. They also play a key role in our digestive health. Dates, in particular, are packed with dietary fiber. When we consume this fiber, it undergoes a series of irreversible reactions in our digestive system. This fiber adds bulk to our meals, making us feel full and satiated. It also aids in digestion by helping to move food through our digestive tract more efficiently. This process, in turn, helps to prevent constipation, a common digestive issue. Again, this is an example of an irreversible reaction. The fiber in dates doesn't just pass through our system untouched. It undergoes changes, reacting with other elements in our digestive system to facilitate proper digestion. In a nutshell, irreversible reactions are at the heart of how we derive energy from our food and maintain our digestive health. They're happening all around us and inside us every single second of the day. So, it's not an exaggeration to say that without these reactions, life as we know it would not be possible. We'd be unable to extract energy from our food or maintain a healthy digestive system. So these irreversible reactions are crucial for our bodies to gain energy and maintain proper digestive health. They are a testament to the intricate and fascinating world of biochemistry that operates within us every day. Now that we've delved into the science behind eating dates, let's recap. We began by introducing the humble date, a fruit that's been a dietary staple for centuries in many cultures around the globe. We talked about its impressive nutritional profile, rich in essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. We also touched on its high fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Then we moved on to the concept of irreversible reactions, a fundamental principle in chemistry. We learned that these are reactions that, once initiated, cannot be reversed to produce the original reactants. This is crucial in understanding how our bodies process the nutrients we consume. Next, we connected the dots between irreversible reactions and eating dates. When we consume dates, our bodies initiate a sequence of irreversible reactions to break down the fruit's nutrients into forms that our cells can use. This process begins the moment we take a bite, as enzymes in our saliva start to break down the carbohydrates. We also learned that the high fiber content in dates helps slow down the absorption of sugar into our bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes, but it's also an important aspect of maintaining overall health. In addition, we talked about how the vitamins and minerals in dates, particularly potassium and magnesium, are involved in numerous irreversible reactions in the body. These minerals play crucial roles in nerve function, muscle contraction, and maintaining a healthy heartbeat. Finally, we discussed the impact of these irreversible reactions. These processes not only provide our bodies with the energy they need to function, but they also contribute to overall health in myriad ways. For instance, the fiber in dates helps reduce cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants help combat damage from harmful free radicals. So we've seen that eating dates is not just about enjoying a sweet treat, it's about setting off a chain of irreversible reactions that contribute to our health and well-being. It's about fueling our bodies with the nutrients they need to function optimally. In conclusion, the humble date is a nutritional powerhouse. When we eat dates, we're not just consuming a fruit, but we're also triggering a fascinating series of irreversible reactions that have far-reaching effects on our health. From aiding digestion and maintaining a healthy weight, to supporting nerve function and heart health, the benefits of dates are indeed manifold. So next time you enjoy a juicy date, remember, you're not just eating a fruit, but setting off a series of fascinating, irreversible reactions in your body.